the star of the mountain. Am I a star? Look, if I have yellow, what does that mean? Hello.
I have no idea. But Mia, you know, it's been a while since we've opened anything, so I think we should open a new box. This is from Glove Box. This is a monthly subscription service. So we're going to check it out and see what kind of goodies we got in here. What do you think's going to be in here, man?
I don't know.
Think it's going to be anything good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because
All right.
last time we got an air freshener that smells like mint.
Yes. Okay, you ready? Let's see what we got. That's a sprayer.
It's a spray cup.
Let's see what else.
Spider, you're
We got a wash mitt.
And I like the wash mitt.
You like it? What else?
Another wash mitt.
Um,
What is that?
some kind of wash mitt thing.
No, it's a puppet.
It's a puppet. All right, let's see what else we got. We got Jack's Wax Glass Cleaner.
We never got them.
Yeah, we're gonna try that.
Did I like it?
What else did we get? Ooh, Armor Detail Supply Wheel Cleaner. We're gonna try that too. What else? We got Vivash Superior Shine. Oh, and then look, we got Hyper Foam from Vivash.
Hyper fun.
So we got a couple sprayers in here.
Ouch.
We got our step-by-step guide.
And
And then
tell me all the
we got the really cool detail G.I. Joe looking sticker. You like that?
Let's put it on our table.
We're going to put it on there, but not yet.
And let's put it right here.
But let's check out this. Let's see the step-by-step guide. We got our Armor Detail Supply with their wheel cleaner. We got our Autofiber wheel finger mitt. So I guess you like that. That way you can get in between. It's kind of interesting. Give that a try. We'll see how this does. What do you think this is going to be? You think you like it? I think we might be able to do some things with this. We'll give this a try. Wash mitt. I know you like your wash mitts, right?
Yeah. Do you like wash pads?
I like wash pads. I don't like the whole putting my hand in there thing. But
Because they will get it.
I like this. So starting with your wheels over here, then we would go ahead. We would wash the vehicle with our hyper foam. I wonder how it smells. Do you think it's gonna smell good? Smell it. What do you think? You like it? Yeah. Ooh.
Can I smell?
Oh, I don't think you want to smell this one.
I want to
Be very careful. Ugh.
smell. What does it smell like?
It's yucky.
It smells like grape.
I don't know what it smells like, but it doesn't smell good. So then we have glass cleaner. Let's smell the glass cleaner. That's got to smell better, right?
It smells a little yucky. Can we smell?
Oh, that smells fine.
It smells a little yucky, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's not
Put
bad.
it in the okay.
Yeah, okay. And
That's
then
the okay, and that's.
let's smell Superior
I
Shine.
hope it's better than the yucky one.
Here, get a smell.
It smells.
I can't tell. What do you think? It smells good or bad?
It smells weird.
Yeah, it kind of does.
So put it in the weird area.
Okay, we'll put it in the weird area.
That's the weird area.
But, what do you think of our monthly box? Do you think it was a good box? Do you think we're going to have fun trying all these things out?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. So,
Whoa, whoa, ba, 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 sure, ba.
alright. Well,
Ba, 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 sure,
thank you
ba,
for
ba, ba.
opening
Hi,
our July 23 glove box with us. Couple interesting things in here. We're
Today's
definitely
July
going to try them out.
6th.
We are starting our own series on glass cleaner, so this will come in handy. And we'll go from there. Thank you for joining us, Mia. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
That's it.